So I'm going to take a look at a product that's been sent to me from XTU. It's the J10 wireless doorbell. As ever, there are links down there in the description below if you want more details on this, more information if I don't give it out, and how to buy. If you're looking for a no subscription wireless doorbell that is so quick and easy to set up and works a treat, this is going to be worthwhile looking at. So we'll just do a quick unboxing and show you what's in the box. So it all comes in nicely packaged like this. And again, if you want to pause there and pinch and squeeze to read any information, and there's some other stuff on here. And did I say there's no subscription on this? You do get free cloud storage. You get up to 6 seconds, which doesn't sound a lot, but if somebody's pressing a doorbell or you've got movement in front of your doorbell, for free. You can pay for extra cloud storage if you wanted. Right, in the box comes a little plastic bag, and in the plastic bag we've got a type A to a type C charger, which I'll show you in a minute what that's for. Should be self-explanatory. We have got a sort of a quick start guide. So you'll need the you'll need to download the Morecam app. So it's nice, easy steps. We have got the XTU J10 user manual, again with links and information on the doorbell. This is a doggle. This is really easy to set up. And if you look here, look what this comes with. This comes with a battery operated chime. So we'll come back to that in a minute, because you can, there's options with this. We have got a window sticker here that you can put to let people know that you've got security. We've got some mounting screws and plugs. We have got a little crossheady sort of mini screwdriver thing, which I'll explain in a minute what this is for. And we've got the mount and the doorbell. So I don't know, you can see in a minute, this is flashing. So this is this is how it all comes. Okay, so I have set this up already. It's on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So the doorbell, straight away, as you'll notice, is sort of black, stylish, and quite robust. There's a little QR code on the back of here. So when you first get this up, make sure you charge it. Once you've got some charging, load up the app. Say you want to connect to a new device. It'll ask you what you're doing, and it's obviously a wireless doorbell. It'll ask you to scan in the code here, and boom, you're in business. Yeah, absolute doddle. So the camera, we're going to take a look at the mounting very shortly. But the great thing with this mount is when it's all into place here, and then you use your screwdriver here to put the mounting plate on here. You can see how sharp and robust it is. If I just loosen this off a little bit, unlike some of the other doorbell manufacturers by other well-known names where you have to pay extra for what they call wedges, this one you can mount it onto a wall, and look how flexible this is. So I think that's absolutely amazing. When we come to do the mounting on it, you can screw mount it here and here, but the wonderful thing with this is this actually comes with a double-sided mounting tape, which you can put onto here. No need to screw, you can just literally stick it on. So if you've not got any much DIY skills, don't. So we've got the doorbell here. This is the sort of press. We've got the sensor here, and we've got the lens. And on the side here, you've got a type C for charging. There's a reset button. So if you need to reset and reconfigure, that's where you go into here. And then on the other side, and I'll just open it up to show you, you have got a micro SD card, can go into here for local storage. And basically, I'm trying to show you what's going on here. Once this is mounted, we can press the doorbell. Right, there's lots of noises going on here, including on my phone. It is asking me, I'll just try and turn this around. I don't know whether you can... So I've got feedback. Sorry about the feedback. Take that back. But you can see how quick and instant this all is. How cool is that? Right, let's just end that call. So sorry about the feedback there, but that I just wanted to demonstrate how quick. Okay, so for the purpose of this sort of bit of a review, I'm actually just going to mount this outside my office door. So with these video doorbells, you obviously you can use them for on your front door, which is what they're intended for. But if people were coming to see me and I'm not in my office, they can basically ring the doorbell and I've got a video link to my phone. So if I'm out on site and I'm working or cutting grass or whatever, yeah, they can be used. So as I say, here's the mounting bracket. So we're going to mount it, roughly speaking, about that sort of height. And so I'm trying to do this one-handed. But if you wanted to, you can put the double-sided tape in like this, and that can literally just be stuck there. So if you didn't want to bother with drilling or anything like that, this could be a solution for you. So in my own case, sorry, I'm trying to film myself. Let's see, make sure we're onto here. Okay, so one screw in there and one screw in here, and then the doorbell literally just sits onto here and here, and then we've got the little screwdriver there, which I'll just quickly show you how this works. Okay, so as you can see, here's my office, and we can move this around so I can have this sort of straight on, but in my case I want it at an angle so when people come that they can see where we are. And then we've got the little screwdriver here in the bottom, and we'll just tighten that up. So I'm going to need two hands. Alright, so that's just there like that, and quite quick and simple to do. So I mentioned now, so I've now got a portable chime, so I could have this, I don't know, if I was just, obviously I need to be in the vicinity of the doorbell, but the chime can be moved anywhere. So if I was, say, in my mower shed, I could take this with me, or actually into the office, or if I was in the cafeteria, I can have this, and I'll actually get an audio chime. Right, so there's the chime. Here's the doorbell. So can you see the chime also gave an flashing light audio alert, and now my phone is also responding. We can set this doorbell up so it also detects motion. So as well as getting a video link for live when the doorbell's going, I can set this so if people are passing by, I can use it as a mini security camera. So we'll dive in and we'll quickly show you the app very, very quickly. I'll load up the app and show you some of the settings. Okay, here we go. Let's dive in and just quickly try and run through some of the app very, very quickly for you. So we got the doorbell home, and we can add this into family management. The plus sign up here is if you want to add on a device. And this is giving a view from the doorbell, and if I press here, this will take a moment to get the connection going, and there is now a live view. Come out of here, you've got a settings button down here. I've called this the Warden camera. It's showing me what the Wi-Fi situation is, state of the battery, time zones, and things like that. Receive alert notification, image settings. you can do it on motion detection, so it can work as a mini security camera, and you can adjust the sensitivity, and you've got things like day humanoid detection and night humanoid detection, and all these settings here you can play with, and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. You've got a quick start installation guide, which will help you. You've got sound settings that you can do. Also on the speaker, you've got different tones that you can have. That's the volume. And we can turn we can change the volume. We'll have that on quiet. You've got whether it's working on speaker with full duplex. You can share the device with a family member or a friend. You've got image settings, anti-flicker, and there's loads of settings, and it is really quick and simple to do. You can leave voicemail and absolutely all sorts. You can connect it up with Amazon Echo or Google Home. And as I say, you have got with this 6 seconds of cloud storage which comes with it. So what we'll do, I'm going to sort of leave my phone running, my camera running, and I'll try and pretend to be at the doorbell and see whether you can see the alert that comes up. Hello, I'm just wondering whether you're there or not.
Hello. So just trying to give you a visual of what this sounds like. So I'm now talking to my phone, which is in another room.
So it's only a demonstration of this, but I also wanted you to see the 2K amazing video quality that's on this doorbell as well. Hello. Hello. So just trying to give you a visual. So if I was there now, I could be talking back if I wanted to. So it's only a demonstration of this, but I also wanted you. So have we got a bit of motion detection? I'll just with somebody here. And that's without pressing the doorbell. Okay. All being well, I hope this is sufficient to show you the quality of the camera. Okay. I'm just trying not to get too into video in a different environment. Right, so you've just seen a couple of very short video files, and unfortunately it's just me on there. I've not got any volunteers here who want to be on camera. And how easy and smart is it? So as I say, that's the camera, the wireless doorbell, no subscription, Free cloud storage, 6 seconds, stored for 7 days. Don't pay any money. You have got the option. So quick and easy to install and set up. You got the multi-angle bracket for when you're mounting it. It comes with the chime, and so you have got these settings down here, and there's 3 AAA batteries in the back of there, which I didn't mention before. You can set up motion detection. You can adjust the sensitivity. You got the 2-way audio. The camera, a 166 degree camera, so it's a pretty wide angle camera. And yeah, if you're looking for a very affordable wireless doorbell with no subscription, then the X2U J10 is definitely going to be worth looking at. Check down there below in the description if you want more information and how to buy. Thanks for watching.